Day one. How my life is fucked up. Just got done showering at Planet Fitness. This is gonna be a video journal of me living in my car because I like to fuck shit up. Here's my car. Now, how many of you would live in your car? I got family I could call. I got somewhere I could probably go. But I guess my ego, my pride is holding me back from taking advantage of those resources that I do have. I have family. Right now I'm in Whittier, California. Los Angeles. It's a Friday night. Went to work today. It's about 8:30. And I'm gonna go find somewhere to park. Crash out. Get up and go to work. And find something to do with my time tomorrow. The reason I'm living with my car is was living with my girlfriend. First of all, I had my own apartment. She was living with me first, with her 2 kids. Then we lost the apartment. Then I moved in with her and her grandma and her family. And we were living there since November. Today's July 14th, 23. And a lot of fighting, a lot of it my fault, most of it my fault. And finally, she had just had enough. Sad part of it all is, I had the house to live at, a bed, beautiful girlfriend, family. We just had a son. He just turned 6 months 4 days ago. Now look at me, living in the car, eating cup of noodles and fucking fast food, El Pollo Loco. This is gonna be my little video journal. Hopefully in a month, 2 months, 3 months, I'm not in here. But tell me, would you sleep in your car? What would you do? It would help if you could like and subscribe, share this video, let people know that there are some people out here struggling. I need help. This is my little ventilation and my little reach out to the world to let everybody know what I'm doing. So it's come to this. So it's come to a clip show. The Simpsons. Yeah. I just took a shower at Planet Fitness. Luckily I could visit all the Planet Fitnesses. Just shower, wash up. It's a nice day. Nice sunset. It's supposed to be hot this weekend too. 100 degrees, so that's gonna be fun. Join me on my journey of fucking living in my car because I'm a fuck up. Like and subscribe. Share. Spread the word. Help out if you can. I need help. I need help.